Mt5 is a platform where we enter to take our trades. So now the first interface you'll see is the quote interface. This interface is where you input, is where you see all the currency pairs that you have in your quotes. Is where you can enter to search for any currency that you want to add or trade. So now where you click on the top right icon for you to be able to add more currency pairs to your quotes. Now I'm clicking on it, so I'm going to be searching for a currency pair to add. Now let me add CAD USD, or no, CAD JPY. Then you click on the plus, on the green plus icon there to add them to your quotes. So let me scroll down so you can see. As you can see, it has been added to my quotes CAD JPY. Now the next interface you see is the chart interface. This is where the charts, all the charts appears, any currency pairs you choose. Like this is GBP USD. This is where the charts appears, And the third one is the trade interface. This is where your account balance shows, and this is any trade you enter shows directly on this interface. Then you can tweak the trade anyhow you want it. The third one you see is the history interface. This is where all your trades that you have taken shows. Mind you, this is a demo account. This is for the purpose of this video, and this is where you can check all your history. And the fourth one is the settings interface. This is where you can actually add any broker. You add your accounts here, broker. You can search for the broker and add it here to your Mt5, so you can trade with them. Okay, now let me show you how you can enter a trade. Let me choose a currency pair and show you how you can do that. This is GBP USD. I'm going to be demonstrating on GBP USD. Okay, I click on GBP USD, so it brings out this interface, and I just hit a sell, just to demonstrate, to show you how you can enter a trade. And then to modify the trade or look for more information about the trade, you click on it, so it will bring out this interface where you can close the trade, you can modify the trade, you can trade more, you can view the charts, and you can even do bulk operations. So now this is the modifying interface, so you can use that one to modify, change the stop loss, and just modify the trade. So now this is how it's going to show you where you have entered the trade. As you can see, this is where I sold from. See, so the trade is still active. Mind you, this is just for practice. I do not do any analysis. I just entered the trade just like that. So I've closed the trade now. So you can see it's on loss there. So now let me now show you how to enter a trade. Let's say I drop a signal. I want to enter the trade with stop loss, entry, and take profits. So now this is how it's going to show you when you open the currency pair. So now you can either choose to sell, buy limit, sell limit, buy stop, sell stop. So for this purpose, let's just use the sell limit, because I want to be shorting on GBP USD. So I'll click on the sell. So you see the price, the stop loss, take profits. So this is the price is where you input the entry. The stop loss is where you put your stop loss, how much you are willing to risk, and then this is where you put the take profits. So once you are done, you just press this place. It's not actually showing now because I did not actually input the right entry. So I'm just using this one for example. So once you click on place, it's going to show you that the trade is active. So I think that's all you need to know for how to use Mt5. So if I'm gonna drop a more comprehensive video on how to set your charts, how to add background color and how to even input your broker into and connect it into your Mt5 or Mt4. So if you have any question, you can drop it at the comment section, or you can message me directly. I'll be willing to respond to you. Thank you. This is CentraFX. Till we see again.